In this video, we will talk about tech news and amazing launches. It's good if you subscribe our channel for new and amazing tech related videos. WhatsApp has banned 18.5 lakh accounts in India during March. Redmi Pad 5 is going to launch in India soon. Vivo T1 Pro is launching in India tomorrow at 12 pm. ISMC invested $3 billion to make his chip manufacturing plant in Karnataka. BGMI is going to launch Dynamo Voice Pack. Now you are going to subscribe because you like this video. Wait, where are you going? I am not joking, bro. Please subscribe.